In our previous video, we have seen how to create a web page. If we look at this code, here, the DOCTYPE HTML declaration represents the document type and helps browsers to display web pages correctly. Nested HTML elements. HTML elements can be nested. This means elements can contain other elements. As we can see here inside the HTML element, there is a body element. Then, inside the body element, there are two other elements, H1 and P. Now we are going to split this screen in two parts. The left side will display the code, while the right side displays its result. Writing a heading in our web page is very simple. Use the H1 element. It has a start tag, H1, and an end tag, inside which you can write your heading. H1 defines the most important heading. You can also use H2 element as heading 2, H3 element as heading 3, H4 element as heading 4, H5 as heading 5, and H6 defines the least important heading. With headings done, we are now going to type a paragraph. The P element defines a paragraph. It has a start tag, P, and an end tag. Inside this, we type our paragraph. A paragraph always starts on a new line, and browsers automatically add some white space, a margin before and after a paragraph. Let's write another paragraph. This paragraph contains a lot of lines in the source code, but the browser ignores it. This paragraph contains a lot of spaces in the source code, but the browser ignores it. If you resize the browser window, the number of lines in this paragraph will change. What if you want to change a line? Use BR if you want a line break, or to start a new line without starting a new paragraph. The BR tag is an empty tag, which means that it has no end tag. Let's understand it with one example. Consider this paragraph and see the output. If we add BR elements, we can break or change the line.